right, whether you simply need a new deck or want to transform your entire home, F&S Building Innovations does it all.
Yeah, and joining us to talk about F&S and the services they offer, we have Alicia Smith. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me. Glad to
This
be
is
here.
always so exciting for us. So tell us a little bit about what F&S does.
Well, F&S Building is a Class A general contractor, so we have both commercial and residential divisions. But for most of the viewers here, if folks want a new kitchen, a new deck, a beautiful sunroom, or if they want to go the whole fixer-upper route and just gut it and start over, we can help with that too.
You can do it all.
We can do it all.
Do you have any clients that come to you and say, I don't really know where to even begin? And how do you work with those clients?
All the time. Renovations can be really overwhelming when you're talking about people coming into your house, traipsing in and out, tearing out walls. It's kind of scary.
Right.
So we can definitely help by doing some interior design help. We can do renderings. It's always great to see what it looks like before people start ripping down walls.
Yes.
So we can do that to help them see what the finished product's going to be.
And that's one of the coolest things that you all do is you do 3D renderings.
Right.
To where people can actually see what their house will look like. And I feel like that's got to sell them a little bit more, right?
Absolutely. And another thing it does, you may look at what we've done and say, you know what? This is not what I thought it was going to be, and send you in a whole different direction.
Yeah, better before than after.
We're looking at
Absolutely.
a couple of these. These look actual pictures, but they're just a rendering.
It's much easier to fix it on paper than it is to fix walls in a house.
Right, yeah, absolutely.
That's so true. Yeah, so you can kind of show them where things are going to be and the lighting. I mean, everything to the last detail.
Even down to understanding how furniture placement works. 'Cause sometimes you don't know in a new space how it's going to work.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, we can take the computer and flip it around and show you how it's going to work.
It's amazing.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
So what makes F&S different from other contractors?
Well, we're full service. If you need a toilet replaced, or if you need a new house built, or if you know, we do a lot of hospital renovations, and we try to go the extra mile. We're a family business, been around for a long time. We like to treat all of our customers like family.
That's cool.
I love it. All right, so if anybody wants to contact you, if they have questions, what's the best way of reaching you?
Just call us. We do free estimates. They can call our office at 985-9160.
Cool.
Visit our website, visit our Facebook page, visit our YouTube channel. There's a lot. You can get a lot more information on us before you even call us.
And I do want to mention, you said you're full service. You're an interior designer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I feel like a lot of time that is the hardest part for me, is like I have this beautiful house and it's great, but I don't know where to go from there. So you actually help with that as well, right?
Sure. Picking out paint colors, picking out finishes,
Yeah.
cabinets, all that. I can help you.
Yeah.
Very
What's
cool.
the first process like? I mean, do I contact you and then do you come to my house, or how does
Yes.
that work?
We want to come to your home because obviously we need to see the space they're going to be working in. So that, again, doesn't cost anything for us to come, me or one of our consultants, come sit down with you, go over what you want, look at the space, take measurements. Really easy.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
so cool.
That's awesome. All right, so what's the best way to contact you? Phone number 540-985-9160 or fs4seasons.com.
Yes, ma'am.